Yeah. How are your preparations going on? How many activities or articles you have done on the Google Classroom? How many videos you have watched?
Sir, a couple of them, and they have really helped me like look into myself.
Okay, wonderful. So, any realization?
Uh, sometimes, sometimes it's not about faking something. Sometimes we need to be ourselves, it's all about realizing where our attitude or our way of looking at things is wrong, and we have an option to correct it.
Okay, that's a very powerful expression, Ashwin. I'm really happy. यार
Yes,
मतलब इतना बड़ा बात तुम इतने आसानी से बोल दिया. Okay, it's not about faking. It's just about being ourselves.
Being yourself.
Yeah, and that's what interviews are all about. ना everyone is unique. अगर सब लोग
yes,
A for apple बोलने लगेंगे तो फिर हायर कौन होगा? है कि नहीं? तब तो
exactly.
फिर रोबोट हो गया कि A for apple सारे तो A for apple ही
Mm.
बोल रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's wonderful. I'm really happy that you liked all those content.
Yes,
तो और घूम फिर के है ना कि तुम लोग अगर नहीं पसंद आएगा तो आगे हम लोग को धंधा भी नहीं मिलेगा, है कि नहीं?
exactly, exactly,
बॉटम लाइन यही है. चलो अच्छा है,
exactly.
गुड. चलो वंडरफुल. यस सोम युवराज, एनी थॉट्स ऑन दिस? क्या क्या वीडियो वॉच किया, क्या कंटेंट देखा, किसी से कुछ मजा आया, कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. What I earlier said in the last our interaction, that it is really helpful in the way that you have made the documents which are there, and videos. Videos are even self, like documents are like self-explanatory. Videos are like more interacting. We get to
हम्म.
know the many more things from that.
ओके, दैट्स वंडरफुल. तो तुम क्या सीखे?
सर पर्सनली मुझे रेज्यूमे बिल्डिंग जो आपने कहा रेज्यूमे का, और जो कनेक्शंस इम्प्रूव करने चाहिए, वो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, ज़्यादा सीखने मिला उससे.
ओके, चलो गुड. So we got multiple people joining in. This is good. Akshita, Shweta. Yes. Chalo, great guys. I'm turning on the camera. Okay. So good guys. Chalo, good morning and welcome all of you.
Good
And
morning, sir.
Anshuman is here with us. Anshuman, if you can just join in.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see me?
Not
Not yet.
really.
Hello?
So हाँ अब दिख रहे
Yeah.
हो. नहीं तो हम
Oh,
लोग को लगा कि मिस्टर इंडिया खेल रहे हो हम लोग के साथ.
nahi, nahi, nahi. Some light problem with their electricity
अरे
has been.
यस, लेकिन अंशुमन आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम अ नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड ना. तो आजकल
Okay.
टेक्नोलॉजी में लोग बोलता है कैन यू सी मी, आई आई गेट वरीड यार क्या पता. यू हैव सीन दैट क्लॉक वाला,
Hello?
एक वो इनविजिबल इनविजिबल कपड़ा वाला कुछ चल रहा है आजकल मार्केट में.
Yeah.
हैव
Have you
यू
seen
सीन
those
एनीवन?
video?
No, no, sir.
Okay, there is like someone is holding that cloth and they are getting invisible, so there are certain
No,
codings being done. Have you seen those?
no, sir.
Yes, that is deep learning, like that. It's
Yeah,
programming.
yeah. Those, yes, is programming only.
Mm-hmm.
So, so the cloth
Programming and uh,
yeah,
hello,
Anshuman.
Sunny. This is the programming as well as the biomaterials are also used.
Okay,
Type of
fair enough.
nanotechnology is also there.
Okay, that's wonderful. So इसीलिए मैं अंशुमन वही बोल रहा हूँ. कैन जब बोलता है ना कोई कैन यू सी मी, तो आई कैन लाइक अरे क्या पता भाई कहीं सही में देख रहा हूँ नहीं देख रहा हूँ. चलो गुड. श्वेता, you can you turn on your camera? Okay. Yeah. So meanwhile, let me set a context to today's discussion. Okay, for every one of you for a better understanding. So see, Shweta, Akshita, everyone is so happy. कि अच्छा आज पे पूरा विंडो फुलफिल दिख रहा है या.
Yes, sir.
एंड क्लासमेट्स इतने दिन बाद क्लासमेट्स दिख रहे हैं. So you might all be in the same class ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yes, good then. Chalo, great. So let me introduce you to Anshuman. So let's say hi to Anshuman. One clap.
Hi everybody.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning.
So
Good morning, all of you.
yes, I've been knowing Anshuman for like my childhood days. So he was my classmate, and he has done his MTech in embedded systems in wearable technology. and now he is working in the field of biomedical electronics, image processing, machine learning, IoT, embedded system, MATLAB, LabVIEW, Raspberry. So a lot of experience infused with biomedical and new age technology. So he is going to be a very good resource for you to learn. And he is currently pursuing PhD from NIT Patna. So again, one more feather in his cap. And apart from this, he has recently launched one book, Biomedical Sensors Data Acquisition with LabVIEW. I've shared the link of the book on Amazon. Yeah, you can just go and check. And he has his own YouTube channel where he is sharing a few of the technologies which he's working on. So that's great, and I really welcome Anshuman for this conversation. And just to give you
Thank
a
you.
brief to how the conversation would happen, Anshuman. So you can give one or two random topic to all of these guys for discussion. Okay, kind of a group discussion, but not in that format. One or two
Okay.
topic just to see their perspective, what they
Mhm.
understand, what they know in bioengineering, bioscience, and their preparedness, and very basic. And then we can have 1 to 5 questions one on one, and which is a very quick, rapid question like coffee with Anshuman. Okay, chota chota ekdam quick. Okay, so we'll do that. And parallelly, guys, what I'll be doing, I'll be taking notes here, and this notes would be on your body language, how you structured your answer, how you were interacting or engaging during the interview. Because most of the time, what happens if Anshuman is asking Ashwin what you all are doing? That's a very big question, also. Yeah, कि भाई मैं वैसे डांस तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना. So a lot of things are there in non-verbal. So I'll keep on saying this to everyone. And if someone is speaking, are you on mute or not? Are you unmuting yourself or not? What is the presence of mind? Everything I'll take a note of. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good then.
Yes.
Yes. So and at
Yes.
the end, Anshuman will give you a technical feedback, and I'll give you a non-technical feedback. What was your body language? Where you are structured, and are you genuinely using all those concepts there or not? Which we
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
Okay, good then. Chalo, great. Yes, over to you, Anshuman.
Oh, thanks, Sunny. Welcome, everyone. Uh,
Hi, sir.
so, tell me about yourself, all people. Tell me about Yuvraj, what you have done in MTech right now.
So 1 year is completed in MTech now. So we had courses for first year for 2 semesters, that like 4 to 5 subjects in first semester and next semester also. So the subjects like bioimaging, bioimage computing, cell and molecular biology, like that subjects was there, basic subjects and some advanced subjects. And actually I joined lab for my MTech project before in September, and I'm working with Dr. Amit Mishra sir for my MTech project.
So,
On
what is your project title?
that is not yet decided, sir.
What is the
Project
domain?
the domain is brain research, like neurodegeneration studies, like how the neurons are dead because of protein aggregation in them, and
So,
what the diseases caused by that neuron degeneration, like Alzheimer, Huntington disease.
so it is all about the cell microbiology, I think so.
Yes, sir.
And what about Ashwin?
Hi, sir. I'm also in my second year of MTech in Bioscience and Bioengineering. So we are halfway through our course, and we are still have coursework to do. One really good thing I liked about our course is that we are being taught about the cutting edge technology, the latest trends in our area of research. And currently, I'm working on an organic air purifier under Dr. Meenu Chhabra, and my field of research is environmental biotechnology.
Environmental biotech.
Yes, sir.
And what about Sonu? Som.
Sir, I'm also in second year of my MTech. The first year, in first year, I have learned about the subjects like cell and molecular biology bioimaging, bioimage computing, and also learned about system biology, and R programming is also taught us. Teachers have taught us, and currently I am in Amit Kumar Mishra sir's lab, like Yuvraj, and we are working on two cell lines, COS7 cell line and A549 cancer cell line. Like he has said that we are basically working on protein quality control system, and we are giving the drugs to the cell and seeing the impact on the protein quality control system. Yes, sir. That's what we are doing, sir.
And what about Shweta?
Shweta,
Shweta, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Shweta,
Sorry,
unmute
sir.
yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Even I am on my second year of MTech, and in the first year of MTech, we have studied the subjects like bioimage computing, bioenergy systems biology, a little basics about the R programming, and now I am going to join Dr. Meenu Chabra's lab in environmental biotech. So basically, my project would be that the microbial fuel cell. So we are going to use the microbial fuel cell for the treatment of the wastewater and also generate the energy from it.
Okay. And what about Akshita?
Sir, I have taken some core subjects in the field of bioscience and some advanced subjects that are interdisciplinary. Like I have taken bioimaging and statistics. I have learned the basics of R programming and MATLAB, and I am interested in the field of environmental biotechnology. And currently, I am working on production of bioethanol from algae.
Okay. So I think all of you have gone through the bioimaging process, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
this is not my field, because this is my field. Right now I am pursuing my PhD in image processing, medical image processing. Okay. So I am more comfortable in that field. What is the difference between medical image processing and simple image
So
processing?
can I answer?
Ashwin? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. So in simple image processing, the image may not be typically images that are scanned through medical or biomedical equipments. It may range from images that are obtained through normal cameras, web cameras, or security cameras. In medical image technology, it is purely images that are recorded by biomedical equipments like X-ray, CT images. And the image processing includes the ability to characterize different organs or to identify typical type of cell-like cancer cells. And biomedical image processing would be more skewed in that direction.
So
So the biomedical images are generally standard. Like every time we take an image, MRI image of a brain, for example, so it is not standard. Noise can be different, even if the patient is same. So that is the main difference between the biomedical imaging and the normal imaging. So that is more tougher. We have to have more filters. There are more number of noises, and the standardization is one of the things that we have to take care in the
yeah,
biomedical imaging.
that is the main point of that. That is the main difference between the medical image processing and simple image processing. That the standardization of that image processing is very complex. Like we have to enhance a image. Like an enhancement can be done. What is the
Yes, sir.
process of enhancement? Image enhancement.
Sir?
Akshita, can you answer?
Sir, we can do edge detection and we can apply many techniques.
So what are the simple techniques you have learned in the MATLAB for the edge detection?
No, sir, not in
We have learned like the normal using Gaussian filters, inverse
Yeah.
filter, Wiener filter, but we have not done this in very detail in the
No,
MATLAB.
that is the basic. No, I am not asking the deep knowledge. The basics are these: the Gaussian, Wiener, and inverse filter are the basic.
Yes.
So these are in the which domain? Spatial domain or frequency domain? So do you know?
Sir, I think, sir, I think they are in the spatial domain. Sir, I said that I think that they are in spatial domain.
Okay. So Ashwin, what is spatial and what is frequency domain in the image processing?
Spatial domain, sir, I don't know whether my answer is correct, but my closest guess is that spatial domain is the location of each pixel and frequency is the uh, pixel values.
Pixel values or intensity values. You can say,
Yes.
yeah. So we have one more colleague here. I think Pritha Das. Is she has joined? Pritha?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So here I am. Pritha, let me introduce myself. My name is Anshuman Prakash. I am the colleague or facilitator with
Uh,
Sunny Agrawal.
just a moment. Pritha,
Yes,
so you're not there in the registered. What's your full name?
sir. Pritha Das.
I don't have your name registered in bioscience engineering. I have
Actually, I
Abhilasha
mailed them, sir.
Akshita. Yes, come again. Yes, Pritha.
Actually, I mailed them, sir, to allow me in the in the interview.
But I got no intimation on that. Okay, fair enough. So just be there. So Anshuman, please continue with the interview. We'll again
Okay,
do the introduction at the end. Let's continue.
okay,
People will keep on joining. Okay.
okay,
Yes.
okay, it's okay. So next question is like, do you have the study about biomaterials? Have you
Yes,
studied
sir.
about it is a
Yes, sir.
term
Yes, sir.
Yes.
biomaterials?
So
Yes, sir.
Pritha and Abhilasha, I would request if you can turn on your camera.
So can you answer about what is biomaterial and what is the advantage or disadvantage?
Yes, sir.
So I am asking with so. So is it there?
Yes,
Can you hear me, so?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Biomaterial basically used to, for example, if you want to deliver something to our cells, into our cells, we use certain materials which are compatible to our cells. Okay, which are not harmful to our cells, so it can't harm our cell. So such materials which are compatible to our cells are biomaterials.
For example,
For example, gold nanoparticles, silver nanoparticles. This are some of the examples.
where have you used gold?
I have not used.
Have you studied or something like that? Where is the gold is used in the
So,
biomaterial section?
so I have just learned in certain studies that they have used gold nanoparticle to deliver the drug to the cell.
That is
Something
a
like
drug delivery system is another one. Biomaterials are generally used for the uh, what is in the prosthetics. Generally used
that.
for
Achha,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
generally prosthetics. So that is
Yes.
the drug delivery system is a different domain of the biomaterials, but the mainly generally used for the prosthetics.
Yes.
So let us turn on the topic of prosthetics. Yuvraj,
Yes, sir.
uh, what is the material used in the general prosthetics?
Mm, so I don't know the answer for this question.
So it's okay. So in general, the first generation was only the wood. The first history of the prosthetic was going on the first history is the technically was the wood. Wood was the first prosthetic device that used. Afterwards, so more advancements are going. Then the biomechanics are inserted. So embedded biomaterials are also used. Like most of the prosthetic devices, the as titanium as the base material. Because why is the titanium is the base material of the prosthetic device? Shweta?
Sir, maybe because it is active with the biological system or compatible, or maybe it is cheap, sir. Sure, actually.
Okay. So the main reason of the titanium is that it is not corrosive. So corrosiveness or rustness is not there, and it is the toughest substance in the world. Okay. So this is the main advantage of titanium as a prosthetic, not a gold. Gold has the has the cost, but it is malleable in structure. So the tensile strength or all these things is very less of the gold. Okay. So now, Pritha,
Yes,
Pritha,
sir. Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So please introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Pritha Das. I study here in MTech in Bioscience and Bioengineering, and I'm basically from the West Bengal.
What subjects you have studied yet in your
In
course?
biomaterials, cell and molecular biology, fundamental of neuroscience.
Uh, Pritha, can you use an earphone? Like, can you just place your cell phone somewhere, fix it on a table, and use an earphone?
Actually, sir, earphone does not support on my phone.
So please plan accordingly, na? Please plan accordingly.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Because you are just roaming around with your cell phone. It's very distracting that
Sorry,
your
sir.
cell phone is constantly moving. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So you can put it here. Yeah. Now you can answer. I think you'll be audible. Don't worry on it. Bolo.
Pritha, continuous.
Yes. Actually, I studied cell and molecular biology, fundamental of neuroscience, statistics, and in my graduation, I basically studied on the zoology subject.
Okay. So you're a pure biological background. You have biology background.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about Abhilasha?
Hello.
Abhilasha,
Good morning, sir.
what subject you have read?
Sir, I'm totally from biotech background, and my
Okay.
graduation also in biotech, and now I'm doing bioengineering in the IIT Jodhpur.
So what are the subjects you have read in your previous classes or
And
previous semester?
sir, statistics, uh, quant physio,
Uh,
biomaterials, tissue engineering.
okay. So all you have learned the basic statistics, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you answer me about what is ANOVA?
Sir,
Guys, those who are not speaking, they can mute yourself. Shweta, Yuvraj, Abhilasha, please mute yourself. Okay. You can mute yourself. And
It's okay if you don't know. This is the only the
Anuga,
practice session. If you don't know, it's
and
okay. Just tell me what you know. What is ANOVA?
ANOVA is a statistics type statistics technique. When there is a more than three samples or two samples, then we test.
Hmm.
Then we going for the ANOVA. If there are two samples, then we go for two T test. But if there are more
Hmm.
samples, then we then we go for the ANOVA test or the F test.
So what is hypothesis?
ANOVA test. Actually, sir, I don't remember right now, but I studied it.
Okay, okay, it's okay. So you have the biology background, no? Rita?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am from BSc background, not BTech.
Okay, okay. Nothing like that. So you have studied neurophysiology.
Yeah, neuro. Yes, sir. I studied the physiology part.
So what is epilepsy?
Epilepsy is a kind of disease, but I don't remember what is caused for.
Anyone who has studied neurophysiology? Anyone can answer.
Don't know, sir.
Sir, I have not studied, but I think that it is about some degeneration of the neurons.
It's not a type of degeneration. It is a type of sudden blockage, not a degeneration. Degeneration is comes under the neurons. Degeneration is only the Alzheimer's. What is the difference between Alzheimer and epilepsy?
So epilepsy is a disease of a neurological disease
Hmm.
that caused by our brain.
Hmm.
Uh, in that case, brain is actively abnormal,
Hmm.
and that cause epilepsy.
Hmm.
And epilepsy is mainly caused by seizure because the
That is the
person.
seizure is the
Yes,
that
sir.
seizure is the cause of the epilepsy. That is the effect of the
Yes, sir.
effect.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. I would like to add one
Hmm.
point. Like the if the signal transduction between the neurons in whole body is defective, if there is a not normal signal transduction, if the axons are the myelin which are covered for on
Hmm.
my axons, which are if they are degenerated, then there will be a problem in a signal transduction from brain to our whole body. So the epilepsy like condition, like our body control or body movement is not controlled in a controlled way. So,
So one question is for simple question to all of you. What is neurotransmitter?
Neurotransmitter is
Neurotransmitter is a
Anyone one at a time.
yes.
neurotransmitter is
Sir,
a chemical substance
Yeah.
which mainly secreted from the presynaptic neurons
Hmm.
in the synaptic region and help to transduce the signal to the postsynaptic region and help to transduce the signal to the whole body.
What about Shweta? What are you adding in that?
So, sir, neurotransmitters are the chemicals that are released, they are basically the chemical messenger in a very short term.
Yeah. So is neurotransmitter is helpful in the endocrine system or not?
Neurotransmitter endocrine system.
Is used or it is helpful in the endocrine system or not? Do you know the endocrine system or nothing?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Abhilasha, do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So what is endocrine system? It will it is all clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how neurotransmitter is used in the endocrine system?
Communication Our main system in our body is the nervous system, and the second important system of our body is the endocrine system. So there is a all-time communication between our brains and the whole parts of the body, and this way the neurotransmitter can help to join both of the important parts of the body and in our whole communication of our body.
Which is the master of the gland of the endocrine system?
Pituitary gland.
Yeah. So there is the main role of that is the major role of neurotransmitter. Okay. In the pituitary glands, the hormones which are releases,
Yes, sir.
that is the master gland. So there only all pituitary glands are, sorry, all neurotransmitter work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Abhilash,
Yes, sir.
you have heard about you know?
Yes, sir. Sir, in my graduation.
Yeah, simple. I am asking very simple question in the
Ye-
mythology. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Define mitosis and meiosis. Simple. This is the class 12 question.
So mitosis is happen when the egg cell is divided into two. Egg or the ovum is divided into two, and the meiosis is happening throughout the life. In the mitosis, the four cells are coming from a single cell, and in the meiosis, only two cells are generated.
Akshita, what about the chromosomes number in that
Sir, can I
mitosis and
answer this
meiosis?
question?
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, sir, mitosis is mainly happen in our body cell. I mean, somatic cell, and meiosis is happen mainly in the germ cell, or during the, I mean, generations. I mean, during the, it is happen mainly our germ cells, or in mitosis, if one cell divide, then I mean the twin cell divide, then the daughter cells are the twin. So the mitosis is called the equal divisions, but the meiosis is called the reduction in division, because the twin cell is divided into N and N, which is mainly our germ cells or the, I mean, haploid cells. The diploid cells are mainly divided into two haploid cells, so it is called the reduction in division.
So what about the number of chromosomes in meiosis, Akshita? Unmute yourself, Akshita.
Sir, in meiosis, the chromosome number reduces to half. Like for germ cells, if the chromosomes are 46, they'll reduce back to 23 in equal divisions.
So what is Down syndrome? You heard about
Sir,
Down?
yes, sir. In Down syndrome, there is deficiency of one X chromosome. Only one X chromosome is there. It is a condition of XO.
आप लोगों ने देखा है ना मूवी कौन सी शाहरुख खान की My name is Khan.
Yes.
Have you seen that? तुमने देखा है कि नहीं देखा?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
वो क्या नाम था वो करण जौहर ने बनाया था इसमें शाहरुख खान काजोल ये दोनों रहते हैं तो he has the symptom of Down syndrome. Okay, so who has done some image processing part? Who has done some project or some experience in the image processing?
Sir, actually, sir, for our course bioimage computing, we all were given micro projects. The problem statement was to identify analysis of X-ray or CT images to identify whether a patient has COVID-19 or not. That is X-ray or CT images of lungs. So what my team has done was image enhancement. We had used several tools on a platform called OpenCV used Python language. So we had done noise reduction, image enhancement using by tweaking the contrast and brightness of images. These are the things we have done, sir.
What are the basic methods for the contrast enhancement you have used?
Sir, I don't remember the tool. My part was I was working mainly on the noise reduction. We had used several filters like Gaussian filter to reduce the noise levels.
Okay, you are removing only noise.
Yes, sir.
So image processing you haven't read or studied or not?
Yes, sir. We had gone. It was a like introductory course
Yeah,
to
that
the basics we have studied.
some basics. Okay, in which image restoration, image segmentation, image contrast enhancement. These are the basics. So that's why I'm asking, which is the basic tool or which is the basic method of general contrast enhancement of any image?
Histogram
Sir,
equalization.
Yeah, very good. The basics is histogram equalization.
Digestion.
This is the basic. So, Yoraj, one question is from here.
Yes, sir.
Difference between global enhancement and local enhancement of the pixels. You know
Yes,
about?
sir. Yes, I have idea about that. Like in local enhancement, we focus only at where specific part of the image, and we do the like the processes what we have like program the analysis on that part only on local basis, like pixel adjustment, pixel intensity adjustment. But in global, we do globally on the whole image. The whatever the processes we are going to do is globally we do on whole image.
So, if I want to do some quantitative analysis of the image that I process, so I want to calculate PSNR. So the PSNR value should be high or low of that processed image. If it is good, if it is enhanced,
Which value, sir?
PSNR value, peak signal to noise ratio value, is it should be high or low?
It should be high, sir. If the pixel value should be more and the noise in that should be less, so the overall value should be more, I think.
Be confident.
Yes.
Be confident. You are right. Okay, you are right. So be confident.
Okay, sir.
So simple value is simple statistical methods are PSNR, signal to noise ratio, mean square error. These are the simple basic qualitative parameters. I think so. You have all gone through that. If you are going to the statistics part,
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes.
So Sunny, is it good or may I continue more?
This is going great, Anshuman. Anshuman, can we give one topic for them to brainstorm, where everyone has a like a small case,
Okay,
any
okay.
scenario?
I can give you.
Okay, yeah. So where anyone, it's like a group discussion, na? Everyone will speak for the same topic. Maybe application of one topic in some domain, or some challenges. How would they
I'll give
plan?
you a simple
Anything you
example.
can give.
Sorry, simple problem. I have a problem right now. I am having a project. Okay, so this is the design of a smart phonocardiogram. Phonocardiogram, you know?
Please repeat, sir.
Have you heard about phonocardiogram?
Yes, sir.
No,
It is
sir.
for,
So
for
it's generally it's the electronic stethoscope. It is the electronic stethoscope. Okay, so स्टेथोस्कोप क्या वर्क करता है? सिंपल वर्क करता है कि वो जो हार्ट
Is
साउंड है.
it like
हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
so
Anshuman, continue.
Sir, is it like a small device?
Yeah, smart device and small device. I have a project right now, so it has to do with classification of the signal, whether the heart sound is good or not. But abnormality मेरे को detect करना है. Okay. So what is the process of design of that?
Yes, sir, you're audible now.
Okay, Prithar, again I am asking, have you heard about the
Yes, sir.
phonocardiogram? Phonocardiogram is nothing but the electronic stethoscope. Okay. The stethoscope hears the sound of your heart.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to classify the signal and tell the user that there is an abnormality in your heart or not. How this can be done?
Actually,
So,
can
just a moment, Anshuman. Prita, your phone is constantly vibrating. I think
Sir,
please appreciate and respect the process.
yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Prita,
Yes, sir.
it's very distracting, Prita. Anshuman is saying something in between, you are responding in some other way, and your phone is
No,
constantly
sir.
vibrating. Okay, it's that's what the whole idea is. Okay,
Have you
good.
gone through the idea? Have you understood the idea? What is that problem? All of
Yes,
Yes,
you?
can
sir.
I add on?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Anshuman, I hope everyone
So,
got this
that,
thing.
so are
So,
you using?
Yeah, I am hearing you, Ashwin. Ashwin?
So you will be using acoustic waves for detecting the heart signals.
Yeah, yeah. So that wave should be detected in the digital domain, no? Your acoustic wave is coming like
So you will need a so you will need a transmit acoustic wave transmitter, a receiver, and a transducer to convert the received acoustic waves into the digital domain. And from using the data which you have already, you can train the digital signals to detect whether the signals are normal or abnormal.
uh, this is the basic concept.
Anshuman, I would request if people can speak. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir,
Okay.
can I join some idea of my
yeah,
own
yeah.
Yeah. So,
about
guys,
this?
it's all over to you. You may add to Ashwin. You may contradict to Ashwin. You whatever is you you need to
I am
engage.
just listening.
Okay.
I am just listening
Okay.
only. You can
Yeah.
discuss. This is the problem. You discuss in all on your own.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
can I
Pita.
add some idea about the phonocardiogram?
Yeah,
Yeah. Go
yeah.
ahead.
Go ahead.
Actually, sir, I did not know much about it, but I think phonocardiogram is plot which record our heart sounds during the cardiac cycle, and by detecting it, it projects is there any failure in our heart, or is there any disease in our heart? Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Go
Yes,
ahead.
Prithvi, we heard
First,
you.
Hello.
this is the problem, and you have to get a solution. I have given a problem. I have to design an intelligent device
Okay.
to detect abnormality in the heart sound. How it can be done?
Sir, the basic pipeline is that you have to design a sensor, and then
Yes.
using the pre data, you have to develop a algorithm, and then
Not
train it.
answer me. Not answer me. Answer in yourself. Discuss in yourself. I am telling.
Okay, sir.
I guess there we can detect it by two process. Actually, uh, we can we can experiment in two individuals, one with the one who have the uh, normal cardiac cycle or normal condition, and another with the diseased condition, and we record
Yes,
both the datas.
yes, Pritha. That can be like there are two test cases. One is the normal, and one is
Yes,
the
yes.
abnormal, and we
uh,
have to
and
do some data to
Compare it.
train, yeah, compare and train the model so that it
Yes,
can
yes,
tell
yes.
whether
And by
there is some abnormality or not.
Yes, and by comparing this, we can measure the timing of the diastole. We can measure the timing of the systole, how the timing should differ between the two individuals, and we can record the heart sound. Is there any heart sound absent, or is there any heart sound present, and the difference between two. And by this way, we can, measure that, or we can detect the problem.
Yes, I would like to add to Prita's point. If you want to make an error-free system, we will need the sample size to be larger than 2. Only then we can
Yes, yes.
obtain a more precise sensor.
Yeah, that will increase the efficiency of the system and sensitivity also.
Exactly.
Yes. Or
I
we can
think if
use
we are
the
just looking
ESP
for
or
the heart rate, I think if we are just looking for the heart rate and the problem that comes because of it, then there are much simple devices also like the biosensors, like the smartwatches, So they are also helping the people get the heart attack. And there was actually an incident. There was one engineer and he detected his heart attack just because of the smartwatch. So that is also one thing which is very simple and very easy to be applicable. So,
but
other than this
I add
complicated
some
devices, I
point
think there's
to Shweta, but that heartbeat, we can not just simply measure the heartbeat, because that heartbeat completely depend on the cardiac cycle, and between those heartbeat, we also measure that the defects on the sound. So heartbeat means that we have to measure the whole cardiac cycle.
yeah. So
I would like to
I
add
just
one
talked
point.
about
That there are certain smart devices that has an inbuilt ECG also. So we are not just measuring the heartbeat; we can get the complete systole and diastole, like how we do a normal ECG from a hospital.
Yes,
That is
yes,
a more
yes.
sophisticated data, and we
And
can.
this is something which I think everyone can understand, even a non-science person. If he is just explained that this is the smartwatch and how you have to monitor it, I think you can detect a disease much earlier than you before going to a doctor, maybe.
But
Yes.
there is another simple technique. We can use the ECG data. One ECG data for a normal person, and we can detect the defects in the heart by the ECG data. But because in ECG data there are completely, sharp decline or incline, we can detect it by the ECG data also. If there is a more simpler process, so I think it
Yeah,
is
but
more
for that we have to
sophisticated.
go to a doctor at least for once. I'm just telling that is possible, but this is something which is simple and more easy to apply in the
Shweta,
mass population.
the example you gave in that the person had knowledge of himself detecting that he is prone to heart attack, but in for a general term, the all people are not that much knowledgeable that they can themselves detect that they are
No,
going to
but
have a
he was
heart attack by seeing the heartbeats on the smartwatch. We
Yes, yes.
the problem
Okay.
that sir has
Uh,
given.
from a biology.
so
It was not
Yuvraj,
from a biology
Yuvraj, you
background.
need to. Can you add anything?
Yes, actually, need to add more things, but I have one doubt. Like what Preetha is saying that we are going to use ECG, and what Ashita and Sweta is saying that we can use heartbeats from the device. I have basic question like what biosensor we can use here. We need to focus on that thing, the sampling and the comparison between the patient person and the normal person. We can do that later. Like if ECG we are focusing, that I think it is the most appropriate way to compare between normal and patient that having defects
Yes.
in the heart. Yeah, that's right, Preeta.
Yes.
What I
Okay.
think.
Because
Uh,
by the ECG data we can detect directly we can, there are many lines, and by the detecting lines we can check whether the heart is working normal or it is
Yes, that
working
PQ. Yeah,
abnormally.
that
Yeah,
graph
that is
is.
ECG is more
Yes.
accurate obviously. But I was just telling that for a very vague way to just know that you're going to have something. And if you just have a very basic knowledge, you don't have to be from a biology background because this is a judgment of one person. He wasn't from a biology background. So you can just know in prior that if your heart rate is high, there may be something which is going to happen in the future. Obviously, biology background, ECG is more accurate and we can judge that. But this was just
Okay.
very vague.
Yes,
Fair enough.
I
Fair enough,
got the
Shweta.
point.
So
Abhilasha,
can we conclude
you want
the?
to add anything? Abhilasha, you want to add anything? Abhilasha, you want to add anything? Som, you want to add anything?
Yes, sir. Like we can use a normal person as well as an abnormal person to see the sound of the heart, and we can use sound sensors, basically like pressure sensor, something like that, that can measure the pressure on the heart, so that we can distinguish between the abnormal and a normal person.
So
Okay.
we can try one more idea that with the phonograph we can attach one sensor which can monitor the both abnormal normal cases. In that case, we have to very particular about the ECG, because if there is any abnormality or in normal case, we have to compare the all the data, and then we concluded all the things that this might be a disease or this might be a normal person. So, sir, I just want to say that we have to try both the ECG data and the census data. Then we predict the person have suffered from any disease or just a normal person.
Okay. Good then. Yes, Anshuman, over to you.
I have good. All of you have discussed the, like Yuvraj has said hypertension, no? You,
Hello.
you
Yeah, Anshuman, you're
So
audible. Yes, go ahead.
yeah, Yuvraj, you have some questions, no?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, I was a bit confused about the sensor which we are going to use. If we are focusing on ECG,
So see, we are not focusing on the ECG. We are focusing on the heart sound only. Okay. So heart sound is just like a acoustic sound. So I have to convert the acoustic sound with the help of piezoelectric microphone or something like that. Okay. So piezoelectric is nothing, you know all that. The
yes,
piezoelectric convert the pressure to into vibration into electrical domain. That is
electrical.
the voltage. So if I have a voltage, then I can make any amplifier, preemphasis can be done, preamplification can be done, and after that I can design a typical sensor, typical filter to remove out the other
Background
unwanted
noise.
noise. Okay, so if this is the three-stage amplifier. After that, I have to amplify the signal so that it goes to the quantized form in the digital domain.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this that is converted into analog to digital converter. That is the digital domain. I have to convert preamplification, again amplification. After that, that is going to the digital domain, ADC. Okay, after ADC, I have the signal in the digital domain right now. From the digital domain, I can process with the help of microcontroller or microprocessor, whether it is need. So it should be done in the with the help of the I have a portable device. Okay, I have to
Okay.
make a portable device, then I need a very fast microprocessor to compute, because I have to compute and compare the data I have stored previously, the test data I have to test, train.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yeah.
I have a powerful compute processor, so that it compare and gives the decision. So there it here at the time of comparison there or training, the AI comes in, artificial intelligence comes. Okay,
Yes.
after that, if it is compared, then I can go to detect or display the whether the heart is normal, heart sound is normal or abnormal. Okay, this is the way basic concept. So all
Yes.
of you understood?
Yes,
Any
sir.
question in this?
Yes, sir.
One more thing, that the training data should not be large, because I have to take small amount of data to classify. If the larger the data, the computational time will be more.
More.
Processing time will be more.
So for
Yeah.
this, you can use k-fold validation.
Which one?
So k-fold validation for this.
I can use.
Okay, that's wonderful, guys. Anshuman, any other questions you want to ask?
Not so
people?
much. I am thrilled with all these people.
Okay.
They have they have answered very well.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So, guys, anything else you all want to ask?
If
Anything
you
from
ask
your end?
anything with me, I can tell.
Okay.
Any
Anything?
questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good then. Chalo,
Thank you so
great,
much.
guys. So let me just summarize what we have been doing in the last 1 hour. Okay. And to get your perspective how this interview happened, what were you exactly doing at point of a time? Okay. I will start in the order. So first, Akshita. So Akshita, this is a very positive strength from your end that you are focused throughout. Okay. That's a very good thing that your throughout focus, your body language was very positive. You're totally engrossed in the interview. Yeah. You are actually listening to everyone. Of all the people, I would say Yuvraj and Akshita, everyone was listening. There is nothing wrong. They are not listening. But you also need to communicate that I was listening. है कि नहीं? एक तो होता है कि मैं सुन भी रहा हूँ और मैं दिखा भी रहा हूँ कि मैं सुन रहा हूँ. Okay. So these two elements were very prominent from Yuvraj and Akshita, and mostly Akshita, where your attentiveness, eagerness to learn, understand what others are saying, and building up on them. Yeah. When someone said a point, you use that point to build up your own point. These all are a skill which actually adds up to your leadership persona, that you are actually listening to others and you are building up on the point, not contradicting or not getting into a conflict, but building up the conversation. So that was a very good point, Akshita. Another one suggestion I would give to you: your body language is very rigid. Okay, and it seems like you are stressed when you are working. Maybe जब एग्जाम आता है तो तुमको टेंशन हो जाता है. Maybe it seems like कि you operate under stress. Okay, I'm not sure what is the reality, but I'm saying from your body language. Yeah, क्योंकि you don't add humor in your life. Okay. For example, if I would talk about Shweta and Som, they are the two people who are very relaxed. Yeah. कि अच्छा ठीक है चलो ठीक है I'm being a part also and I'm relaxed also. But for you, Akshita, your strength, your high strength will get shadowed because of this one point. Yeah. You are too composed, you are too matlab, rigid, and your body language is not free. So free yourself. Okay. Basic example, basic cheat code, I would say smile in between. So throughout the conversation you are not smiling because of the pressure. Yeah, now this is better. Okay, when someone is saying, someone is doing something, just smile a little bit, nod, and just enjoy the moment. Good, Akshita? Making sense?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And that's wonderful. So then next to Pritha, I have not interacted with you earlier, so I've whatever I'll be saying just on the face value, because this is our first interaction. But one thing I would say, Pritha, you are constantly using your fingers in your mouth. ऐसे lips का ऐसे guys, have you all noticed this? Yes or no? Anyone who noticed? Yeah? Yes, Som, you noticed that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and these all are a very basic behavior. नहीं पता चलेगा तुम्हें इंटरव्यू के दिन तुम कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो, बट यू एंड अप डूइंग इट. अंडरस्टूड प्रीता? क्योंकि ये सब बॉडी लैंग्वेज है ना. क्योंकि अगर मेरे को पसीना आता है तो मैं ऐसे ही करूंगा, है कि नहीं? अगर मैं हर दिन कर रहा हूं तो उस दिन भी यही करूंगा. अगर मैं रुमाल नहीं रखता हूं अपने पास तो उस दिन कैसे रुमाल यूज कर लूंगा. Understood? This is very basic to that. So you are constantly doing this when someone is asking, you are like, ऐसे. Okay. So, and it's a habit. Just understand it's a habit. ये रातों रात नहीं होगा. Okay. So get into a constant practice first. And second thing is just understand if you're joining or coming anywhere, yeah, Anshuman had to pitch in and say and give an introduction. So if you joined late first of all. Yes, Pritha?
Yes, sorry,
So
sir.
when you're yeah, so don't say sorry right now. I'm giving you feedback. So when you're joining now, the moment you say, you just communicate at that time. Sorry for me delayed, sir. I'm Pritha Das. That's it. Just one line whenever you are late in the meeting, and if you get a moment where you can pitch in, because जैसे ही तुम ज्वाइन करोगी पूरे के पूरे ऑडियंस तुमको देख रही है, अरे ये कौन आ गया? Understood? This happens. It's a mindset. So everybody got distracted. Understood? And it is not just for the interview, anywhere is a normal behavior. Okay, so ये चीज को add on करो. Okay, understood, Pritha? And another thing is,
Yes.
Pritha, when Akshita was talking, you were constantly cutting her in between. अक्षिता ने एक वर्ड बोला फिर तुम बीच में बोल रही हो, फिर दो वर्ड बोला फिर तुम बीच में बोल रही हो. Getting, Pritha, what I'm saying? So when someone has started speaking, wait for a moment. 2 सेकेंड 3 सेकेंड रुको, एक वर्ड बोले. We I understood this fact that you are intellectually very good. So I'm not coming from a technical background, but I can sense that you have a good knowledge of what you are saying. So I'm really happy that I was able to sense it. But the whole perspective is, cutting in between others is not going to get you anywhere. Okay, people want to work
Yes,
with
sir.
people who can work together. Yeah, अगर मैं किसी के साथ कंफर्टेबल
Yes,
ही नहीं
sir.
हूँ काम करने के लिए, तो भले जितना भी स्मार्ट हो, आई विल नॉट वर्क विद देम, बिकॉज मेरा इंटेंशन क्या कहेगा, अरे यार ये तो ओवर स्मार्ट बन रहा है. ओके, सो इफ अक्षिता वाज सेइंग समथिंग,
Yes, sir.
लेट हर कंप्लीट. जस्ट गेज द मोमेंट. पता चलता है कि नहीं यार, मतलब कि कोई बोल रहा है कि हाँ अब इसका बात खत्म हो गया, वो पता चल जाता है टोन से कि अच्छा अंशुमन ने बोल दिया, अब उसका बात खत्म हो गया है, या अक्षिता ने बोल दिया उसका बात खत्म हो गया है, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. ओके, so understand, and this is what emotional intelligence is all about. Okay, when someone has started, when someone has stopped, I gauge that moment and I know this is my time, this is my time to intervene. Okay, so understand all those things. So this is to Pitha. Then Som, of all the people, Som, I saw only you taking notes. Yeah, I think you are the only guy who was taking constantly taking a pen and paper and writing something.
Yes, sir.
One hint to you, Som: position your pen and paper next to your laptop and as a raised platform. What you are doing, you are bending a lot to write. Yeah, a lot of bending was coming in. Don't bend too much. If pen and paper is there, just like this, so your face should tilt. Okay, position your document in that way that you are not moving a lot on the camera, but your hands and head just a little bit of tilt and you take a note. That's it. Okay, and in between, this is a cheat code. I'm saying this to everyone. हाथ में एक पेन रखो. साला अगर नहीं भी नोट्स लेना होगा ना, तो दिख जाएगा कि अरे मैं तो नोट्स ले रहा हूँ. मतलब if you can't make it, fool it. Understood? It's a cheat code. तो ये देखो ना, because lots of the time लोगों का क्या assumption होता है, ये तो चैट कर रहा है कि नहीं? अगर मेरा मुंह नीचे है तो तुरंत क्लास में जाएगा, "ए, तुम क्या कर रहा है, तुम चैट कर रहा है." Yes, तुम व्हाट्सएप में है. So have a pen in your hand to fake it that मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ सर, मैं नोट्स ले रहा हूँ. Understood? बहुत
Yes.
सारे लोग होता है जो डिजिटल नोट ले रहे हैं, तो डिजिटल नोट ले रहे हैं तो अभी भी इंडियन माइंडसेट नहीं है लोगों का कि अरे साले तो डिजिटल नोट ले रहा है. उनको लगता है फोन पे व्हाट्सएप ही चला रहा है या इंस्टाग्राम कर रहा है. ओके, so manage your body language in that way that your face is not getting tilted in that way. Okay,
Yes.
and please practice a lot, Som. This is for you, I'm saying. Just a moment, I'm getting a call. Okay, just a moment, I'm getting a call.
Yes.
Yes. So understood, Tom.
Yes.
And Som, I'm giving you one idea here. We talked about those five skills in the class: emotional intelligence, agility, analytical, all those things. Please have stories. Please have stories. तुम लिख के रट लो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा जो कम्युनिकेशन है ना, वो उतना क्लियर नहीं आता है. ओके, यू विल टेक टाइम. सो इट्स लाइक, अगर मेरे को किसी ने बोल दिया जना गण मन बोलने के लिए, अगर मैं कॉन्फिडेंस भी लो होगा ना, तो भी मैं अटकूंगा नहीं. या why? Because by heart रट गया मेरे को जना गण मन. Okay, because I've practiced that stories so much that मैं at random नींद में भी जगूंगा तो बोल दूंगा. Okay, so for guys like you, those who have थोड़ा सा फ्रेम करने में टाइम लगता है, रट लो कुछ कुछ चीजें रट लो. Okay, like one story, your internship story, लिख लो, रट लो, so that of all the thing, at least for a couple of minutes, you are communicating confidently. Yeah, and confidence and positivity is contagious. एक बार वो जीभ में लग गया ना कॉन्फिडेंस सक्सेस का, ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारा बाकी चीज भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो क्रिएट दोस काइंड ऑफ अ नगेट्स, स्मॉल स्टोरीज विच यू कैन बाय हार्ट, आंख बंद करके भी इंटरव्यू में बोल देंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? द स्टार टेक्निक वी टॉक्ड अबाउट,
Yes,
the internship story which we talked about. So create one paragraphs on that. Okay, for example, your hobby, one paragraph, your internship, one paragraph, और रट लो, पेपर में लिख के दीवार पे लगा लो, फोन का वॉलपेपर बना लो, ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करो, उसका ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करके हर दिन सुनो और उस पर एडिट करो. ओके, दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू पर्टिकुलरली सोम, वेर इट टेक्स टाइम टू स्ट्रक्चर थॉट. ओके, स्क्रिप्ट रहेगा तो कोई लोड नहीं है. ओके, गुड.
Thank you,
Then
sir.
yes, then Ashwin, of all the people, if I say who's having a balanced approach, it was you. टेक्नोलॉजी में बात करना, पर्सनल एंगेज होना इंटरव्यूअर से, फोकस दिखाना, सो एवरीथिंग इज बैलेंस्ड इन यू. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग दैट अगर अक्षिता का एक चीज बहुत स्ट्रेंथ है, तो कुछ और वीकनेस भी है, बट फॉर यू एवरीथिंग इज बैलेंस्ड, एवरीथिंग इज एवरेज. या
Okay.
तो अगर तुम थोड़ा सा एफर्ट करोगे तो थिंग्स वुड मूव अप टू यू.
Okay.
Okay, and this is what I am saying this to you. You have a very good presence, your body language, eye contact, the way you are interacting, everything is in sync. But the only thing is the impact is not getting transmitted. Yeah, it's like कि मैं सलमान खान मटेरियल तो हूँ, लेकिन सलमान खान बन नहीं पा रहा. Okay, so the content and the attitude behavior is there, but it has to be communicated, transferred. वो ट्रांसफर नहीं हो पा रहा है. एंड व्हाई इट इज नॉट गेटिंग ट्रांसफर्ड? बिकॉज तुम्हारे किसी भी आंसर में कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, तो मे बी यू हैव 5 टॉप थिंग्स अबाउट यू, 5 टॉप यूनिक थिंग्स अबाउट यू, एंड उसके ऊपर कुछ स्क्रिप्ट बना लो, काम कर लो कि भाई अगर मेरे को इन 6 लोगों को बीट करना है, तो ये चीज है जो मेरे को यूनिक बनाती है क्लास में. ओके, यस, so what is that unique thing in you which can outshine you? Yeah, for example, अगर सलमान खान एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहा है तो और क्या कर रहा है? मे बी पेंटिंग कर रहा है, या और नहीं तो मे बी लाइक बीइंग ह्यूमन चला रहा है. तो अगर एक्टिंग के अलावा भी तो मालूम है ना, बिग बॉस कर रहा है, बहुत कुछ कर रहा है. लेकिन अश्विन, तुम्हारे लिए अगर ये नहीं है तो और क्या है? वो चीज क्लैरिटी नहीं हो रहा है. मे बी व्हाट आर यू गुड एट, हॉबीज, और मे बी समथिंग एल्स, इट इज नॉट गेटिंग कम्युनिकेटेड प्रॉपरली. ओके, तो थोड़ा सा काम करो और आउटशाइन करो. Okay, Yuvraj, next coming to you. You are very focused, and one thing which I liked about you, you were taking initiative. Constantly, you were taking initiative. डिस्कशन के टाइम में क्वेश्चन पूछना हो या कुछ और चल रहा है तो उसमें ऐड करना हो, तो इट्स वेरी गुड, बट यू नीड टू पॉलिश योर इनिशिएटिव टेक्निक. So I would like to add few points. Thank you so much for adding. Let me intervene. Okay, these kind of transition.
Okay.
वो सारा चीज जो फिलर बोलते हैं ना, कि पैराग्राफ 1 से पैराग्राफ 2 के बीच में एक लाइन फिलर तो होना चाहिए. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, अक्षिता थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एडिंग, या श्वेता दैट वाज वंडरफुल ऑफ यू. सो एक ऐसा फिलर चाहिए तुम्हारा, नहीं तो वो इनिशिएटिव दिखता नहीं है फिर. ओके, good then.
Yes, sir.
And your most of the things are good. Technical Anshuman bata dega last mein, but everything is good of you, and same as like Ashwin, you are also a balanced guy. Everything is coming on at par. बट आउटशाइन करने के लिए कुछ तो आउटलायर्स चाहिए तुम में, कुछ एक और दो चीज एलिमेंट जैसे तुम आउटशाइन कर पाओ. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग, अगर तुम्हारे जगह कोई और ऐसा बंदा आ गया जो बहुत आउटस्पोकन है, then you will not be able to speak. Yeah. For example, like agar Pritha and you are having a word, then Pritha will never let you speak. Yeah. And you will also not speak. अगर प्रिथा चुप भी हो जाएगी तो भी तुम नहीं बोलोगे. Understood? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
kind of a personality you are coming up, that you will get दब जाओगे तुम. Okay. And फिर वो तुम्हें इंटरव्यूअर तुम्हें अगर बोलेगा कि अच्छा युवराज now you speak, then only you will speak. So am I true, Yuvraj?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So please understand this kind of a thing. इनिशिएटिव लेते हो लेकिन दिखता नहीं है किसी को. ओके. कोई अगर तुम्हारे सामने और हैवी पर्सनालिटी आ गया तो तुम कुछ नहीं करोगे, तुम बैठ जाओगे वहां पर कि अच्छा मेरे को बोला जाएगा तब मैं बोलूंगा. सो प्लीज create this kind of opportunity. How you can do that? Get into conversation with your superiors. So क्लास में सीनियर से बात करो. ओके. फैकल्टी से बात करो. क्लास में कभी भी मौका मिले टेक लीड और पहला बोलो. ओके. अभी तुम्हारा पूरा एक साल सेमेस्टर चालू हो जाएगा, और जब सेमेस्टर चालू हो रहा है तो यू शुड बी द फर्स्ट और द सेकंड वन टू स्पीक एवरी टाइम इन द क्लास. थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर करके आओ, कुछ भी बोलो, बकर मारो लेकिन बोलो, क्योंकि वो हैबिट बनना चाहिए. ठीक है. पीपल आर आस्किंग मैंगोज, यू टॉक ऑरेंजेस, लेकिन फर्स्ट और सेकंड यू शुड बी दैट गाय, इधर फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्पीक. ओके. वो हैबिट बनेगा, नहीं तो फिर हैबिट नहीं बनेगा. ओके. Then coming to you, Shweta. Shweta, you have a very good presence. You are engaging, you are laughing, you are listening. Everything is fine, but there has to be a level of balance in the emotional intelligence. Okay. Outburst दिखता है जब होता है तो, because at random अक्षिता के यहाँ से कोई डॉग का आवाज आ रहा था and you were like extremely laughing. Yeah. Yes. No, Shweta. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these all are like can you see a maturity in me and Anshuman? We were like irrelevant of all those things, ना? है कि नहीं? कि अच्छा हो रहा है नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा. For Ashwin also it was irrelevant. कि ठीक है उसके यहाँ है. Let me be calm and composed. Okay. Let's not get carried away with all these distractions. This shows a very good amount of behavior. Okay. I'll give you one example. मैं जब अपना कॉलेज के इंटरव्यूज में बैठ रहा था ना, लाइक जो तुम्हारा इंटरनल इंटरव्यूज होता है, वर्कशॉप वाला, प्रोजेक्ट्स वाला, वो सारा इंटरव्यू. सो उसमें आई वाज लाफिंग. ओके. फैकल्टी ने कुछ बोला, कहीं फ्रेंड ने कोई जवाब दिया, मेरे को हंसी आ गई और मैंने हंस दिया. और मेरे फैकल्टी ने मेरे को एक सवाल पूछ दिया, भाई किसी के मरनी में जाओगे तो हंसोगे? तो मैं एकदम ऐसा ब्लैंक हो गया, नहीं यार मतलब. अब फिर ऐसा मुंह, लेकिन हल्का हल्का स्माइल आ गया. फिर मैम ने जोक क्रैक कर दिया कि भाई तेरी दोस्त की मरनी है आज, ठीक है तो हंस मत यहाँ पर. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मतलब व्हाट हैपेंड. आई लाइक बस्टेड. एंड वो उसने तुरंत मेरे को फेल कर दिया उसमें. एंड शी गेव मी अ फीडबैक. देन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, इंटरव्यूज आर नॉट जस्ट अबाउट टेक्निकल, इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली ऑल्सो. या क्योंकि अगर इंटरव्यू है तो इंटरव्यू को इंटरव्यू की तरह से लेना चाहिए. ओके. नहीं तो अगर बाद में चिल मारना है तो बाद में मिलो ना मेरे से, लिंक्डइन पे मिलो या बाहर में मिलो, सब समझ लेंगे. बट यू नीड टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट योर लीडरशिप ऑल्सो. या एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज अबाउट यू, श्वेता. अगर बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंटरव्यूअर की नजर सिर्फ बाकी लोग पे है. इंटरव्यूअर्स आर लुकिंग एट एवरीवन ना. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में यही होता है ना. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में एक बंदा शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाएगा जिसने पार्टिसिपेट भी नहीं किया होगा. इट हैपेंस. व्हाई इट हैपेंस? Because he was able to make his presence felt by listening. उसने सुना, नॉड किया, सबको समझा और एक लाइन नहीं बोला, और नहीं भी बोला तो भी शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाएगा. Why? क्योंकि इंटरव्यूअर थिंक्स क्योंकि वो गिवन एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, दिस गाय वुड मेक अ डिफरेंस इन द कंपनी. लेट मी जस्ट इनवाइट हिम फॉर द इंटरव्यू एंड टेस्ट हिम. बिकॉज आज के टाइम में साला चुप भी तो नहीं रहते हैं लोग. And he was quite there. He was just listening to everyone. He was in the moment. He was engaging with the interviewer. He was engaging with the peers. And let me check his technical knowledge. Okay. What he might do, he might ask him one question in the GD only to validate. Yeah. Okay, what do you think your perspective is? But this is how you attract. Fair enough, got this, Shweta? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so please be clear on this. Good then. So Abhilasha, over for you also, uh, you have participated a very little period of time and you came a little late. अगर थोड़ा सा पहले आती तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा ज्यादा engage कर पाते हैं. Okay, but this is a good point. Yes, Abhilasha, you are on mute, Abhilasha.
Sorry, sir, there is electricity breakdown in my town, so my phone and my laptop not charged full, so the battery is not sufficient, so that's why I'm joining
Yes.
the date.
So understood, Abhilasha. ये ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा ही होता है. Okay, I'm saying this to you guys. Just understand. I've faced lots of trouble in my life because of these kind of a behavior. But what I have realized now, luck ऐसे ही नहीं होता है. Luck is the outcome of lots of hard work. Yeah. Why would God favor with you with luck? ना? Understood? There's a very basic thing. अगर luck भी lucky लोगों को मिलता है तो why you then? Okay. So what I also do, I also charge my laptop beforehand. रात भर चार्ज पे लगा दिया, फोन चार्ज पे लगा दिया कि कल मेरा इंटरव्यू है. Okay. This is how you plan your day. So
No, sir, the whole
understood.
day, the yesterday, not light is not there, and
Understood,
sir, there is
Abhilasha.
yes, sir,
Got,
yes,
got the
sir,
point. But I'm
yes, sir,
saying this to you. There's always a solution. There is always a solution. Yeah. Always a
yes, sir,
solution. But this is a mindset. Yeah. And not with
yes,
respect
sir.
to this scenario I'm saying, but in general I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good then.
Okay, sir.
And coming to you, you have a very good body language. For whatever time you were able to switch on your camera, your expressions are very clean. It is directly communicated. Your thought process, your engagement, it is coming very clean. But I'm not sure. I don't have sufficient data point to give you a feedback. Maybe when we connect on a few other moment, I'll give you some personal tips. Okay, but I
Okay,
can only
okay, sir.
give you a hint that you might have got lots of feedback when I was saying to others. Yeah, I hope those all
Yes, sir.
things gonna help you. Okay, good then.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, great guys. That was wonderful. Yes, Anshuman, over to you. Yes, Anshuman.
Thanks, Sunny.
Yes. So, any feedback, suggestions to them?
Suggestion for them in general that all of are good in your basic concepts, but sometimes in which in your area you think you are very strong, okay, but sometimes interviewer asks within the general repetitive, so all the general questions, so you have to study your subjects thoroughly with some basic concept you have to learn. Okay, just like Pritha has a background of BSc bio background. So when I asked her about biology questions, so she was very confident. As when I asked about bioengineering like image processing, that you have all said me that image processing is our subject, she was very little bit hesitated in that. Okay, so this should not be happen. You have some basic knowledge with all the subjects you have read, because interviewer can be asked any domain which you have read your study. So this is the tips I am giving you, and be confident about what you answer. If you are answering wrong also, nothing matters, but you be confident and be to, if he asks how and why, so you have to be confident that I have tell the wrong answer. If you uh, judge, or if you just understood that I have given the wrong answer, just apologize it, just say sorry to him and say by mistake I have given the wrong answer. So this is the answer, or answer I don't know. Because if you give the wrong answer, so interviewer will ask next question on that wrong answer itself. Okay, what is the right? So you will be in a loophole. So you will be asking more and more question about that, until and unless you recognize or self understood that, oh, I have done the mistake. He will ask. Okay, so he will
Aditya,
contradict your answer.
Yes, so just a moment, Anshuman. Aditya, you can join 5 minutes later. Yeah, we are just concluding the one session before. Okay, 5 or 10, 5 to 7 minutes later. Okay, Aditya. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Good. Then.
So,
So that's
so this is,
wonderful, Anshuman. That's so great. Anything else you want to add, Anshuman? I think you were saying something.
no, it's okay. Just motivating them that be confident on your answer. Okay, like Yuvraj said the right answer, but he said like in the last time, I think so. So
Yes.
this gives a little bit confusion in your candidate, your answer. Be confident. If you know the answer, be confident. Never say that I think so. If you know the answer, be confident. Okay, that's all from
Yes.
my side.
Yes. Good. So one thing I genuinely liked about Akshita's answer, na, that she was able to talk about subjects and like some basic subject and some advanced subject. So this is a good way to put Akshita. So I've done 5 basic subjects or 7 advanced subjects like this, and where everyone was saying these are the subjects I have done. Okay, good then. Chalo, great guys. So this was wonderful, and over to you. How was the experience? Some feedback from your end.
Sir, the session was very nice. We really got a check about ourselves that we think that we have leadership qualities. Now, you said that I have leadership qualities. That was like verifying it, hearing it from somebody else.
Yeah, so that's wonderful. Great. Anyone else?
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir. Our session was
Uh,
really,
yeah, Shweta.
yes, sir. The session was really. I just have one doubt. Like
Yeah.
sometimes I feel like laughing unnecessarily, and this happens in a lot of situation, which is in a lot of serious situation. So I don't understand. Then what should I do?
Okay. So, Shweta, there is a normal way which you can manage. Have a handkerchief in your hand always. Okay. Whenever you feel like you are smiling or laughing in between, pretend to be sneezing. Yeah. To start with, it's a very basic stuff. Whenever you feel like, just have a handkerchief and pretend to be sneezing. Okay. Understood. There's a very basic to start with. It's not going to solve your problem, but a immediate solution. Step one. Okay. First. Second thing, whenever you get into these kind of a scenario, do a little bit of exercise. What I mean by exercise, a long breathing, some push-ups, some crunches, where you increase your blood circulation. Okay. Why people smile at that point of a time? It gives them kick. हाँ? थोड़ा सा अच्छा feel good होता है. You feel good when you smile. When your body is already feeling good, the tendency to smile will get balanced. Getting what I'm saying? So just before these kind of a scenario,
Yes, sir.
do some kind of a थोड़ा सा jog कर लो, थोड़ा crunches, push-ups कर लो, yeah, थोड़ा सा long breathing कर लो and increase your blood circulation. And you will see this changes. Yeah, I'm saying this to you. You will definitely see a changes. And keep a handkerchief in your hand in any these kind of a scenario. Okay, that's a like a remediate solution for this. Okay, getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Shweta?
Thank
Is this
you.
helping? Is this helping?
Yes.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा
Yes.
एक्सरसाइज करके बॉडी सर्कुलेशन बढ़ाओगे ना, ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो डोपामीन इफेक्ट होता है माइंड में, you feel start feeling good. So it will be a little bit of smile automatically there in your body, but you will not be like smiling too much. Okay, good then.
Yes, sir.
Do you exercise regularly or not?
Yes, sir. I do.
Yeah, so करो फिर उसको थोड़ा सा stretching करो, benefit होगा. Okay, good. Yes, next. Anyone? Yes, Yuvraj. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, Yuvraj.
Yes.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
quickly close. Let's quickly close it. Yes, Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. So the session was very informative, and like in very short period of time, you pinpointed the points which I am lacking and the good points about me. And same with Anshuman sir, like what I know the answer. If then I say I think so, then it makes a little bad impact, and I got that point also. Yes, sir. So
Yes.
overall, the session was informative for me. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Yuvraj. Yes, next.
Sir, I want to
Yes,
say
Abhilasha. Yes,
something.
Abhilasha.
The session is very good and interactive session. Sir, I have one problem. If interviewer asks a question from me, for a few minutes, my brain is just blank out. There's
Yeah,
nothing in my brain, so it take time, few seconds. Then I realize the question and answer. Sir, how I can overcome this
so
problem?
there is, Abhilasha, there is nothing wrong in it. Normally, people take time. Okay. All the
Okay, sir.
interviewers agree to this. The only thing is, please express. Please express. So if Anshuman has asked something to you, okay,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I'm just reframing my thought. Let me just think. Ask for time. Just express. Okay, I'm reframing my thought. I'm structuring the answer. Okay.
Okay,
Speak,
sir.
and 5-10 seconds of pause, and then you can communicate. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Is this
sir.
helpful? Is this helpful?
Yes, sir. I tried this.
Yeah. So 1 or 2 lines immediately bolo. Yeah. Thank you for the question, sir. Let me reframe it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Done.
Definitely do.
Okay. Good. Yes.
Sir, thanks for the session. It was really
Sir,
enlightening and
I want to add
exciting.
something.
Prita, Ashwin was speaking. Yeah. Yes, Ashwin.
So it was really informative and insightful. Like we got to know what we are lacking and what we are good at. Thank you for
Okay.
listening. Thanks to both of you, sir.
Chalo, that's wonderful. Yes, Prita. Now you go ahead.
Sorry, sir. This is my phone's problem. I cannot hear that Ashwin was speaking.
Okay. No issues.
Uh,
No issues. Yes, Prita.
Actually, I don't interrupt anyone in between talk, but if I let complete, I think you raised a point about Akshita. If
Yes.
I let complete the talk about of Akshita, and immediately another person start talking about it, so I don't let that moment. So immediately after that Akshita, I want to raise my point. So that's the main problem.
Yeah, but it doesn't work in that way. Yeah. So let's try to get a better approach on that. Okay.
Yes. थैंक यू
Okay.
सो मच
Good.
सर।
चलो
सर जैसे आपने
good.
मुझे सजेशन दिया कि स्टोरी प्रैक्टिस करने को, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से मैं वो करने वाला हूँ। और लोगों को जो आपने सजेशन दिया है वो सबसे भी मैंने नोट डाउन किए हैं, और वो सब मैं अपने में भी ट्राई करूंगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से गलतियां ना करूं। और
और
जैसे अंशुमन सर ने भी दिया है कि हमें हर एक फील्ड का बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए, वो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम से वो करने वाला हूँ। और फिर अगर मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक किया है तो वो मैं खुद रिकॉग्नाइज करूंगा और फिर खुद ही वो बताऊंगा कि हाँ मेरे से कुछ मिस्टेक हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
chalo good then. Chalo great guys. So that's wonderful. It was wonderful having you all of you here. So मजा आया interact करके. And
यस
I'm just requesting all of you, please keep on taking all the exercises on that app, and please subscribe to our channel, help us grow. क्योंकि आज के टाइम में अगर तुम लोग हेल्प नहीं करोगे तो हम लोग कैसे ग्रो करेंगे या तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड हेल्प अस ग्रो ओके
यस
guys at the end one word each one word how was the day how was the session and you can exit the call so this is for the previous people for the bioengineering
It was
one
great.
word each and you can exit the call. Great. Okay, Ashwin, thank you so much. You can exit the call. Next.
वेरी नाइस सर।
Okay. Thank you, Som. You can exit the call.
Sir, I want to say that the session was amazing.
Okay, amazing. That's wonderful, Abhilasha. You can exit the call. Yes, next.
So the session was very informative and very helpful.
Okay. Chalo, that's wonderful, Yuvraj. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Exit the call.
Sir,
Yes.
it was the
Yes,
best
Akshita.
opportunity. It was the best opportunity we can have.
Okay, the best opportunity you can have. That's wonderful, Akshita. You can exit the call.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, next.
So
Yeah,
your,
Pratha. Yes, Shweta.
so your feedback was very true and genuine, and I'll try to work on that. So it was really
Okay.
helpful.
Yeah, thank you so much for appreciating this, appreciating and acknowledging the feedback, and
Yes,
looking forward to meet and have more interaction with you, Shweta. Thank you so much.
yes, sir, sure,
Yes,
sir. Thank you, sir.
you can exit the call. Yes, Pritha.
Sir, this session was very helpful for me. Actually, I do know about my strong points and both of my weakness and
Yeah,
how to about the professionalism, how to behave in an interview call. So it was
Okay,
very
so
helpful for me.
that's great, Pritha. Thank you so much. And I don't have like a lot of interaction with you. Let's see if we can interact more. Okay, just get
Actually,
in
sir,
touch. Yeah. So I'm just giving you a feedback here. Just get in touch with the placement team, and if you want to be get added on the Google Classroom app, I'll add you on. Okay, just have a word with them.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually,
Okay.
I sent a couples of mail them, but I did not get any
Fair enough.
reply.
No issues. No issues. Just have a word with them.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.